The next one is Rugged Gear Camo Black. Let's see, should be similar to the other one. Oh, actually no, it's way different. So this is more rugged, and I like that it's made of something quite flexible. So what it says in here: shock absorption R1010RG, the same made in Korea, live a better day. Buttons are covered, and yeah, this is all raised. You have all the cutouts. So let's just put it on and see how it looks like. Why is doing that in there? Okay, yeah. So it's all aligned. It doesn't make the phone look too bulky. But one thing with this one, actually no, it is raised all around. As you can see, it is a little bit raised all around. And then if you have a screen protector, with a screen protector like me, this says also up, down, power. And the camera lenses are definitely protected in there. So yeah. Also, if it falls in different position, the only one I'm a bit worried is in this corner, but then you have this edge raised in front. But it's a bit out there, I would say. Otherwise, it's really nice. So yeah, let's just take it out. Very easy to remove as well. Yeah, so I do like this.